up there. And I sprayed it down in that little hole that's over there. I sprayed some on his little tunnel, and you can't really see it, but the banana, he is going wild. I normally wouldn't do this at 11, 10 at night, but, you know, he was down playing with his little banana, and I was like, you know what, I can make that more fun for him. So that's what I've done. I love you, Gussie. Oh, he's having a good old time. He's coming to say thank you. He's got his little banana. He's so happy. Literally was playing with it until I turned the camera on. Are you kidding me? I don't know what to do with him sometimes. It's like I turn the camera on to video him being cute, and then he stops. Now he's giving me the butt. I guess she's in charge this morning. Brought her outside because the big one is in the backyard. So I had to bring the little one this way. I think she needs to poop. But she's taking me on a walk. I'm telling you. We going on a journey? We going on a journey? Yeah. Okay. If you gotta go bathroom, go bathroom. Oh. She stopped to go pee. So, happy Sunday, everyone. Just out here walking the dog. She's taking me everywhere, I swear. I don't know what she thinks she's doing. But, yeah. Okay. To go back inside and get ready and go to church. We woke up a little later than we meant to, but we're just gonna push and get ready and go. Hey, I can't go that way, Sophie. Sophie. Crazy dog. Now I gotta make a step over. He's staring me down because I just ate some Ritz crackers, so I got a treat. Now he thinks he needs a treat. And he won't quit staring at me down. Like, dude, just because I got one doesn't mean that you also need one. But because I love him, I'm going to get up and I'm going to give him a treat. Look, there's his treat. I'm gonna go put it in his little bowl for him. Look at how happy he is. Preparing my chicken for tonight. There are some pieces on here that are weird looking. I'm gonna chop them off. That's what I got scissors for. And then I'll wash the scissors in hot water because if you touch raw meat, wash your effing hands. See, roasted chicken, garlic parmesan. I want them to taste more like this, less like this, so I put this one on first, put this one on second. If that's wrong, that's just how I'm doing it. clean the counter surface after you make your chicken, which is in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 385. With some really hot soapy water. Wash what you used to cook the chicken. I added some stuff for fall to my little dresser. I added the little dead zombie hands, the little witch's feet. I added that pumpkin. I added this, which says zombie skin, and it's like purple sparkly. I added that pumpkin. I added the big pumpkin. I added this little pumpkin. This says dragon scales. That one says ghost breath. There's a little scarecrow like owl that I added. I added that pumpkin there. It's just a little, it's not a lot, but when you back up and look at it, I think it's really cute. Ignore my snack and coffee, but I like it. He's already going cray-cray for this. Yep, it's these. He absolutely loves these, and they help with his hairballs. Like his own personal squeeze tube. It reminds me of the squeezable Go-Gurts. That's actually what it reminds me of. He adores them. I'll just squeeze it out and he eats it. This one's tuna recipe. I'll have to buy him more because this is his last one. I try to give him this like once a week.
I do not remember saying that.
I'm sure they loved that.
Well, they're not a sponsor now, so I don't know. But anyway, moving on. Another back to the.